Hi all, it's P4 Logi, and today we are gonna see Union SQL injection Union attacks. Let's see that. And before knowing Union attacks, it's better to know what's Union attack is. Uh, Union attack is a type of attack where we are passing the passing our own SQL query with Union keyword. Let me take a notepad today too. Pad and yeah. First, let's consider the two tables named gifts and users with uh, with this. Okay, let's consider there are two tables here, and your part is to the part of web application displayed is gifts, and your work is to display the users. Okay, now let's consider the statement. Uh, select id comma select id comma uh, give name from gifts. Okay, so this is the SQL statement used in the particular application. It's our assumption, by the way. So our work is to add a union such that uh, we are requesting the data from the users type. So union the username and password, and if it's our luck, this ID would also be a varchar username and password from users. Okay, so this is the part of code what we are gonna inject, and as usual we are gonna comment the remaining part. So this is the basically uh, during an attack, and disadvantages. Some databases not even have this union keyword, so they won't support this union based attacks. Yeah, let's say this when an application is vulnerable to SQL injection, in the application responses, we can use the union keyword to retrieve other tables within the database. So this attack's name is SQL injection union attack. Yeah, I said. Select AB from this table, union select CD from table 2, and the main important type is whatever the number of columns we are using here, only that many number of columns should be used here. That's the first thing. The second thing is uh, this A and C should be similar should be of similar data type, and B and D should be of similar data type. That's the two main constraints present when while we are dealing with SQL injection attacks, SQL injection union attacks. Okay, let's continue this. Yeah, this is what it said. The individual query is maintained in the same number of columns, and the data types of each column must be compatible with the individual queries. Yeah, because what this query does is, and let me give uh, ID if name here. ID if name. Uh, this we have to understand how the union works for this attack to be uh, done successfully. If we don't know this, then we can't understand this union attack, and we may get errors. So let me consider this ID as one, even though it's okay. Let me use a Roman note. this Roman one saying that this is a varchar. So only then we can use username varchar here. Then else we can't use that. Gift name is let me say product one. If only this gift is there, and I have to get username and password from users table, right? So that will be printed like users password, and the data of this will be printed here. P for logi, and his password is QWERTY. His password is QWERTY. Okay. So the union, like this, the union works. And if you want to understand this, it would be better for you to read more articles in union too. I'll try to add. Okay. Yeah. First, then uh, after understanding what is union, we have to successfully implement union attacks. So for that, we have to understand, we have to know what are the number of columns that are present in the original query. Only then we can successfully inject that many amount of columns to perform a union attack, right? So for that reason, we'll kind of brute force and know what are the number of columns available by using this union in the URL. That's what he has said. That's what said here. How many columns are being returned from original query, and which columns returned from the original query are of suitable data type to hold the results from the injected query. So that's the main thing. That's the main work of us of knowing what are the number of columns present in the original query. And to know this, we have two methods. The first method is using order by, and second method is using union, which we'll discuss in the next slide. Though this first method is order by one. Uh, before getting into this, let me go back and show here. Okay, let me show you right here. This ID can be stated. This ID can be indexed as one, and this gift name can be indexed as two. And what are the number of columns we can uh, yeah, those columns can be indexed by their number in this select statement. They don't have original indices, but we can index them using the order given this select statement. So this ID will be considered as one. This gift name will be considered as two, and if let's say price is there, this will be considered as three. Okay. So by using by using this order by one, I'm clearly ordering the whole result by using the first column of the select statement. So, by brute forcing this 1, 2, 3, and so on, I can know what are the number of rows that are present in that original select statement. Someone can argue that even though that column is not present in that select, why can't it order based on the original columns? It won't work by that way. Yeah, using this order by one. Uh, here by using this order by one, we are trying to order the whole result with the help of the first column. Here with the help of second column. Here with the help of third column in the select statement. That's the thing we have to understand clearly. Uh, by continuing this, at one stage, we'll get this error. Or by position number 3 is out of range of the number of times in the select list. If there are only three columns in the select list, and if we give order by four, then there are there are no four there are no four columns present in the there aren't four columns present in the select statement. So As indexing is work, as indexing is working based on the select statements column order, we can't give fourth column in the select statement. So in the order by, so obviously we get an error here. So this is one way of doing this. Yeah, this is one way of doing this, and we should not forget this apostrophe and this double hyphens, because this indicates comments and this ends that particular statement. Uh, and the second way, what I said is union. Uh, Basically, we knew that we, we knew that after union, we have to give same number of columns that are present in the original query. So we are giving and we are trying null values here to check the number of columns. As null is accepted to any data type, we can check with this. If this works here, then we can say that if this does not return any error, we can say that there are only one column in the select statement. I- If this returns error, then we can try this two nulls here. By using this, we can check the number of columns in the original query. If this returns error, we can check this, and if returns error, we can check four nulls and so on. At one amount of null, we can get no errors. So by using this, we can know the number of columns here. So the null values may return this error. The all queries combined using a union, intersect, or except operator must have an equal number of expressions in the target list, or they may create a null pointer exception. These are the two types of errors that are created by or triggered by null when passed as an operator. By using that, we can know what are the number of columns here. So by using these two techniques, we can understand or we can get to know what are the number of columns here. By using that, we can pass our malicious prompt, the SQL prompt in the input box or in the get in the parameter wherever we want. Let's solve this lab. Wait, let me. I didn't even see the question. This lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. The results from the query are returned in the application's response. So you can use a union attack to retrieve data from other tables. The first step of such an attack is to determine the number of columns. See, this is the first step actually. As I have already said, this is the first step. If we know the number of columns, only then we can launch a correct malicious prompt. Otherwise, we can't. You will use you will then use this technique in subsequent labs to construct the filler. To solve this lab, determine the number of columns written by the query by performing an SQL injection union attack that returns an additional row containing null values. Okay, okay. Let's solve this lab. Let's solve this lab. Let me go back. Okay, let's solve this lab. So here, if I there are many categories and we can view details of this, and we are not interested in that right now. And if I click the category here, only then I can get the category equal to parameter here. For that reason, I click that. Then it's our time to perform a union attack. Okay. So first, let me try with the union select null, select null hyphen server error. So I have to try with the two unions. Hype say apostrophe union select null comma null. Come on. Okay, null, got error. Let's try with 3, union, select, null, null, null. Okay, yeah. There are three columns in the particular select statement. Because of that, there is no error here, and we solve this lab. Okay. Um, yeah, by using this, we can also try R by here. We can let's try that too. Let me try R by 2 here. Sorry, order by 1. Um, no errors. Okay, order by, okay. Is it correct? Yeah. Order by, we can't leave space, right? Um, order by 2. Okay, have to get correct answer at 3. Order by 3. Sorry, 3. Oh, uh, wait. Let me check the order by. Okay. I forgot that order by works mm, for all columns present in the select statement. If uh, if the number of if the index exceeds the number of columns, only then it produces error. I forgot that. Okay, order by 1 works. It should work, and we have to check order by 2, order by 2. Okay, it works 2, order by 3. Let's check that. It also works. Then let's write 4. It should not work. So by using this, we can get to know that the number of columns in that particular select statement is 3. So these are the two ways what we have discussed, or to find the number of columns in the particular select statement. Okay, so that's it for today. So let's complete this stream. Let's complete this video, and it's 18 minutes today. And I forgot to say that this is our day 12 stream challenge in Twitch 2. And that's it. Let's complete the video here. Until then,